Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise on sets. Here from question number 9. I have already discussed from question number 1 to 8 in the previous two classes. You can check the playlist. Now, number 9, using properties of sets show that A union A intersection B equal to A, and 9 number 2, A intersection A union B equal to A. You have to use properties of sets. So write down proof number 1. Left hand side, A union A intersection B. Now using distributive law, A union A intersection A union B. Here you can write distributive law. Distributive law. Next, A union A means A, this one idempotent law, intersection A union B, idempotent law, right here, idempotent law. Next write down A intersection A union B, say these two sets here, this one A, this one B, and whole is A union B, and A intersection A union B, that means A. That means A is a subset of A union B. So here you can write, since A is a subset of A union B, B is also a subset of A union B. So this one right hand side. Proof is over. Next, number 2, left hand side, A intersection A union B. Similarly as number 1, using distributive law, A intersection A union A intersection B. Right here distributive law. Distributive law. Next write down A intersection A means A union A intersection B. Here A union A intersection B. So draw Venn diagram. Say this one A, this one B. Middle portion is A intersection B. Here A union A intersection B, that means A. You can write here A equal to right hand side. Here you can write this one idempotent law. This one you can write idempotent law. Idempotent law. So proof 2 is over. Next, number 10, show that A intersection B equal to A intersection C need not imply B equal to C. For this one, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 4. And I can say let and C equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now, A intersection B, that means 2 and 3 common elements, and A intersection C, you can write A intersection C 2, 3. But here B is not equal to C. So here given, if A intersection B equal to A intersection C, need not imply B equal to C. That means here A intersection B equal to 2, 3 having elements 2, 3. A intersection B having elements 2, 3. But B is not equal to C. So write down this one. Number 11. Let A and B be two sets. If A intersection X equal to B intersection X equal to 5. And A union X equal to B union X. For some set X. For any set X. Show that A equal to B. Write down. Solution, we have A equal to, you can write A union 5. A equal to, you can write A union 5. Or A union 5 means here A intersection X and B intersection X. So write here B intersection X. Why? You have to use distributive law. So write down A union B intersection A union X. Here you can write since B intersection X equal to phi. Next write down here A union B intersection A union X. That means you can write B union X. So write down A union B intersection B union X. This one B union X. A union B can write B union S, same thing. A union B and B union S, same thing. Intersection B union X. So you can write B, this one distributive block. Next you can write B here union. So union A intersection X. A intersection X. B union A intersection X. Again A intersection X equal to phi. So B union phi, you can write B. Here you can write since A intersection X equal to phi. So here you have to show that A equal to B. So short. You can write. Number 12. Find sets A, B and C such that A intersection B, B intersection C and A intersection C are non-empty sets, but you have A intersection B intersection C equal to phi. Write down solution. Let A equal to say 1, 2, 3. B equal to 3, 4, 5. And C equal to 5, 6, 9. Then, therefore, A intersection B, 3. B intersection C, 5. And A intersection C, 1. A intersection C, say is a 1, 1. Therefore, these are non-empty sets, but A intersection B intersection C, there is no common element equal to 5. So, this is the answer of question number 12. So, I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.